If that thing fills up, those puppies aren't going to make it. All right, so no mom yet. Down there, so. Hey Pam, keep an eye out for mom too. Oh. All right, so we got one. Hey guys. Hey Pam, you want to come over and I'll hand them out to you? I can't believe how deep this thing is. Wow, I don't even know how many are under there. Come here, guys. I don't know which way to dig. I mean, it's like all the way back here. If that thing fills up, those puppies aren't going to make it. I can't like dig too fast or hard. One of those puppies come out and hit him with a shovel. That's not going to be good. Come here. Hey guys, it's your Uncle Chris. Come on out and play. Come here, muddy puppy. I can see you. I'm going to put some food here at the opening, and hopefully someone will move forward and I can grab them up that way. You smell that, don't you? I see you coming forward a little bit. And we've gotten 5 out. Hi. Hello. I see 1, 2, 3, possibly 4 or more. I might be able to reach you. It'd be nice to have longer arms. Oh. I had him, but he's like, there you go. There's one of them. I don't know which one, but he was stuck like in the roots. I didn't want to pull on him too hard. Well, at least the rain has let up a little bit. There's Mama. She's in the yard over there. Oh. Sorry.
You're fine. It's all right.
Hey, big guy. You okay? You're okay? You're okay? You're okay. I think I got you beat on the mud, though. I'm muddier than you are. I am. Yeah? You're a talker. Let's go. You guys are all going to be together, man. Yeah? You're okay? You're all right? Oh. Got another friend for you. He's a talker. Oh, a growler. What? Come here. If I wasn't so big, I could get in there. But, you know, I'm just a bigger guy, and it just doesn't work that way sometimes. All right. It's all I could grab, baby. We got 10 so far? I know there's at least one more. Come here. See, I'm not a bad guy. Trying to get you guys out of this predicament. Gotcha. I don't see any more. Oh, boy. So 11 in total. Let's get them back to the shelter, get them cleaned up, vaccinated, and fed.